TVs have come a long way in a relatively short amount of time, and the various ports and connections may be different to what you've perhaps seen in the past. So we're here to take a quick look at how you can get your new TV up and running in just a few short steps. If you're wanting to watch live television on your TV, there are a couple of ways to go about it. The most common and straightforward option is to watch live TV via an aerial input. In order to do this, locate your aerial cable and attach it to the TV antenna port. This may be labelled as ANT on your TV. Some TVs like this one will also have a SAT input. This is used for watching TV via a satellite dish, although a direct satellite connection like this can be uncommon these days. Each TV will have a different setup process, but most of them will start with choosing your language and region settings. This tells your TV which channels to search for, as well as which language to display. Your TV's step-by-step guide will have an option to install or search for TV channels. Select this option and then choose Antenna or DVB-T. On this TV, it asks us if we want to search for digital channels or digital and analog channels. UK TV channels no longer support analog, so you can just choose to search for digital channels. If you're using a smart TV, you will also have an option to connect to your local network. This can be done using a wireless connection if your TV has this facility, or you will find an Ethernet network input on the back of the TV which looks like this. Connecting your TV to your network can give you access to smart features and applications such as Netflix and Amazon Prime Video if you have a subscription. There are a number of ways to connect your external input devices such as DVD players, Blu-ray players, digital streamers or games consoles. The most commonly used connection today is a HDMI input, which looks like this. Both audio and video signals can travel through a HDMI cable, making them a very straightforward option if you just want to make use of your TV's built-in speakers. It's also the best way to ensure that you're getting the best possible image quality on your TV. Most TVs will have at least one HDMI input which will be numbered on the TV. In this case, we've plugged our Blu-ray player into the HDMI 1 input. This means that when we want to use this device, we will need to change the TV's input source to HDMI 1 on your remote control. Look out for this symbol or a button that is labelled Source. Use this button to select HDMI 1 on your TV. Most TVs will have multiple HDMI inputs, and you can use these to connect to other devices. It's worth checking the back and sides of your TV as there may be additional HDMI inputs available. In this example, we have a third HDMI input at the side of the TV. Here you can see that we have connected a Blu-ray player to HDMI 1, a digital streaming device to HDMI 2, and a games console to HDMI 3. All we need to do is turn on the device we want to use and select the correct input source on the TV. HDMI 1 for the Blu-ray player, HDMI 2 for the digital streamer, and HDMI 3 to use the games console. Now let's talk about some other common connections which you might have on your TV. This port here, labelled AUX or auxiliary, is a headphone connection and is usually used for connecting speakers or headphones to your TV. Digital optical out, also known as digital audio out, is used for sending a high quality audio signal out of your TV to devices such as speakers or a soundbar. Most TVs will have one or more USB ports. These can be used to watch media which is stored on a memory stick or external hard drive. Other connections to look out for are ones like this, which is called a VGA input. These are usually used for connecting computers, laptops, and CCTV systems. VGA can only carry video images and will not send an audio signal to your TV. Composite ports are yellow inputs used for older devices such as VHS recorders, DVD players, and older games consoles. These ports are usually labelled video and come with a left and right audio connection. Connecting a device using these ports is as simple as connecting the cable to the corresponding coloured ports on the TV. And there you have it. You should now be up and running with your new TV. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or pop into your local Richard Sound store. Our colleagues will be very happy to help. Thanks for watching.